You jumping? Jumping? We jumping? Do it. Jump. Come on. Jumping, 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 jumping. Jumping, 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 jumping. Come on. Jump. Jump, Zachy. Oren. Zachy. Jump. That was a big one, huh? Look up, Or. Look up. Where's Oren? Where's Oren? Where are you? Don't jump on baby. Yeah, be careful. Watch baby. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Whoa. Jumpy, 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 jumpy. Look up. Oren, look up. Look. Papa. Hey. Oren, look. Look at Mama. Oren. Hi, Zachy. You want your choo-choos? Alright, we're going to get the choo-choos. They fell on the floor. There's one.
Oh, no. Like 2 times?
There's Thomas. Thomas for Zachy. No, Zachy gets the train. Oren.
Ew.
No. Zachy, you want the train? Zachy. Jumpy. Jump for Mama. Jump. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Come on. Oren, jump. Alright, we're over the jumping now. We got choo-choos, so we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye again. Say bye-bye. Say we'll see you later. Oren. Hey, Zachy, you want to say goodbye? You want to say goodbye? You love the camera. You want to say goodbye, Mr. Oren? Say bye.
2, 5.
Choo-choos.
5.
Choo-choos.
5.
No, choo-choos don't fly. No, choo-choos don't fly. Airplanes fly. What does the airplane say when he flies?
5.
What does the airplane say? Meow. Very good. What does choo-choo say?
5.
What does choo-choo say? Choo-choo.
Go.
No, no, no. Oh, we've moved on to animals? Okay. Bye, everybody.